Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a treat for you. In my second cooking video, I'm going to be cooking beef ribs. I got these at Prime Gourmet here, and normally I like pork ribs, but I'm going to give beef ribs a try. These should go for about 6 hours today, so let's get going. I've got the charcoal outside getting ready. It's using the snake method again on the Weber kettle, and let's get these seasoned up and get them out on the grill so we can have them for dinner tonight. So first thing we're going to do, as always, put on a glove. And this time, I'm going to put it on the left hand. I'm not sure if I was on left or right last time, but we'll see. Now, I saw Aaron Franklin the other day on his channel do beef ribs, and instead of using olive oil to put a binding agent on the ribs, he used Louisiana hot sauce. He said it gives it a nice little extra kick and flavor. So what I'm going to use today is Frank's red hot sauce, which is the same thing I use as a base for my chicken wings. So let's get some of that on, get the rub on, and see how it goes. It doesn't take much. Just put a little bit on there, rub it around. And while we've got it, well, let's go ahead and flip it over and put some on the other side. I've already removed the membrane off the back, which exposed some of the bone, as you can see here. I don't know if that's necessary for beef ribs like it is for pork ribs, but I don't know. We'll try it and see. If you know, leave a comment down below. Let me know how you do it. All right, so there we go. All rubbed down with some Frank's, and let's put on some Aaron Franklin dry rub. 50% salt. I'm using sea salt. He uses kosher, and 50% coarse ground black pepper. But before we start, let's give it a good shake and get some on there. There we go. I did pork ribs the other day, and they came out absolutely fantastic, but they didn't have much of a bark. So I'm wondering if maybe I didn't use enough rub or whatever, but we'll see. All right, so let's get the back covered there. A little bit along the edges. Those are good, don't they? There we go, and then on top. Now these are going to go on bone side down at about 275 for about 6 hours. There we go. Beautiful. All right, let's get these things out and get them on the grill. So the temperatures come up, running right about 275 right now. Gonna put them on, come back in about 3 hours, see how they look. Keep monitoring them, spray them as necessary, and then 6 hours, hopefully it'll be dinner time. So let's put them on. Look at that. Beautiful, huh? So I'm gonna put them right here, and I'm gonna put the thicker side closer to the fire. There we go. So there's the temperature probe that's monitoring the heat here, and you can see the smoke coming off the post oak. Snake method in place. Let's cover them up and don't lose this good heat. There we go. So for 275, I found that this grill works best if you set the bottom vent at about 25% and the top vent at about, start at about a half, and then we'll adjust it as need to. So let me go down and get that one set. Right now it's fully open. There's about 25. All right. Let's see. Can't wait. It's going to be good. I hope. We'll see. All right, folks, we're about 3 hours and 45 minutes into this cook, and we're gonna pop the top off here, have a look at these beef ribs and see how they're doing. Check the tenderness. We're gonna probe them with my ThermoPro temperature probe, which is also, just use it as a probe and stick it through like that. And it's really nice. You can also check temperature with it. Cool little device. Not terribly expensive. I got it on Amazon.com. Link below, of course. So let's have a look and see how these ribs are looking. Oh wow, look at that bark. That is fantastic. Let's go in for a tenderness check. This is the thickest part. Okay, still a little firm. Still a little firm. That's okay. And let's just check it here. Switch hands. Check it here for tenderness. Very nice. Wow. All right. Let's go back on with the top, and we'll come back in about another 2 hours. And at that point, we're going to wrap it and let it rest for an hour. So we'll see you then. Stay tuned. Well, it's been 5+ hours since this rib went on the grill, and then it's been resting and wrapped for about the last hour. So it's ready to cut into and check out. Be kind to me. This is my first beef rib attempt. I think it looks beautiful. It's got a gorgeous bark on it and seems nice and tender. So let's see how it comes out. Here we go. You ready? I'm just going to take a little bite first before I cut into it, because I want to test it for flavor. Okay, a little bit done there on the end, but that's a small end. Flavor's good. Wow, excellent. Okay, let's go into the big part of it in the middle. I don't need those tongs. Cut right through the middle here. It's hot. Woo, burning my hand. There you go. What do you think? Got a nice smoke ring there. Nice and tender. Look at the juice coming out. Well, I think that's it. I think I'm ready to eat this thing. Well, while it was resting, I had some charcoal left on the grill because I used the snake method, and I had maybe, about that much snake left. So I piled it all up into one side, and I did some grilled zucchini. This is what we're going to have with the beef rib tonight. Let me show you that. There you go. Grilled zucchini with olive oil, garlic, lemon juice, Italian herbs, salt and pepper. It's going to be good. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please leave your comments below. If you like the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, give me the thumbs up, hit the notification bell, and stay tuned until next time. So you know what time it is now. Let's eat.